Hi guys, what's happening? If you're here for the first time, my name is Gopal and today I'm going to unbox a 4K action camera which is actually called a GoPro clone. Here you can see OnReal branding and as usual this also comes from China. Let's open the box. There is a user manual and it's useful for who never had an action camera. It explains all the descriptions about camera and working. Let's check the specifications. CPU Novatec 9660, Sony sensor IMX078, wide angle lens, screen is 2.45 inches, which is one of the selling point of the camera. Picture format and running time is 90 minutes. Here we have a remote controller for action camera. USB wire for connection and charger is not given here. And you will get the camera in waterproof case. High transparent material, dust proof, can keep a good video shooting. Underneath of this case, you will get all mount and stickers which many other companies do not provide. An extra battery, which is useful. J-hook buckle, universal camera tripod mount, 3M adhesive tape and whole bunch of accessories. Now let's check out the action camera. It comes in well-fitted waterproof case. You can perfectly use the camera up to 10 meters underwater. A very tight anti-pressure wall cell which is good for surfing. "4K action camera branding." Let's check the back side. We have a battery of 1000 mAh and SD card slot. It takes about 3 hours to full charge. Other side, we have a charging port and a micro HDMI port. Just below there is a hole for microphone. Let's switch on this little monster. Display looks crisp and clear with good sensitivity. Normal video, photo labs, video plus photo, slow motion, dash cam. Here we have resolution, field of view, wide dynamic range. Let's check the resolution. We have 4K 24 fps, 2K 30 fps, 1080p 60 fps, and all other mostly not in use nowadays. Power on off, record mode, date time, and whole lot of settings. Let's mount this on GorillaPod so that I can show you how the video is in indoor and outdoor lighting conditions. Things to note is this camera has a great image stabilization which can be used till 4K. Now you can check the indoor samples. I will say it's okay quality in indoor lighting. Let's see outdoor now. And outdoor also not so bad. Now I'm going to show you some sample videos that has taken from this camera. And to conclude on this, the picture and the video quality is great on this action camera. 2.45-inch full screen and digital video stabilization till 4K are the positive features. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. For the latest update, please subscribe and thanks for watching.